Ben na watching me and send ye and a sia. Ya she yenya ya Africa kwanya ye faswa. Ye betimi abo Africa ho ban. Na ebedu baabi no yenya ye Africans no. Ye betimi ya ye mbibia. I've taken my time, I've gone through a lot of conspiracy theories against Africa. Ebinu mo trust say. Ebi before pa de ye. Ebinu mo so trust say. Debia ye befa plan no ye wo Africans are one can say ye informants. Emma the British, the Europeans, the Americans, and what have you. It's a far plan to be our heart, not leaky, but one day our far plan is leaky. Idea you hear the results of their thinking. If you don't trust, say, ye nyai boy ya hunni say, ye be ye bribia. Now afraid ye penny for na shedem no huna won. To understand, sir, what to be fair or maybe penny for catch on, sir, devalue your currency. It happened to Nigeria. It happened to Kenya. Happened to Tanzania. It happened to Ivory Coast. It has happened to Ghana. Devalue your currency. It's more than penny for hope. What was the CBDB was also a friend of IMF. IMF this one you said that here because of Africa. That's what I think. Said the beya, what bet to me I said they go a baby or anymore say. No one can say that near the opposition biaba near say go sab opposition e na ba ban mu near go anymore say you want ya catch say IMF indicator oh want ya be catch IMF standard oh want ya be catch IMF policy oh want ya be catch IMF G IMF they are that. Because of all these things, all these theories, if they are anything to go by, then what it means to me is that our leaders are still not thinking. Say slave trade in Africa, I agree. The fire koye Matthias here, slave trade. Bampacho, Timmy. Sir, what the ho? Now when you're 40 years, now say one mobra. If you say, oh, my man, oh, papa, and to me, and for one go school, dear. Now, so once when you're 40, oh, mammy, you don't almost go school, I wondering. And, me want some baby, and I don't pay. So, okay, last Wednesday, your name is Mr. Samuel Doche, Deputy Presiding, in charge of economics. Culture, any social bibi so after social bibi to so ho. And no catch and say, your friend bibi agenda 2063. Nyame adom fodjo per document na nyina mame. First document 144 pages makanwie. Second document no 89 pages makanwie. And the main page, main document, like I said, 303. And so Nina from Wednesday, Bessie, and run my carry. But okay, I didn't react to me who say, BB what from. But what the main quaho so. Now, many Dr. Kingsley entry. Or a church in Cassia, our Cape Coast University. And Twasa and Komui Esso. BB to the man shut down body position, pa or what. Ewo ye investor memo no abo se na be ya okasa be hunu se onya abanwea na watie doc mpacho teme nka ma che
ye nia
wadaroma na etesei
ya me adom me hoye o
mo yenso ye hoye pa osahene buami o wadama University of Cape Coast wo ye den wo ho
me a senior lecturer na me primary department Department of Sociology and Anthropology. Ehona me chadie.
But that's it. Wadama, then pa na ye problem as Africans sir. Ye tu ye nine me and sako ye nimbi aji ye tu num esambe ye chi. Ase ye ase be ye ase then pa na wo nim die mu wo sua de akọ akire bebia waduru mpempens we wo hu se ye haw and a solution ben so na wo ho.
Yo me da se ni chia we tie fo nyina. Na question we bisa no emudo ade emudo yi na me try say me chechire mu kakra na ebia afoforo nso won adwen a wo adwen ni pa ba kotrem me hunu no enema kakra say eno ne ma intimi nkoye nim di kind no ye wo leadership deficit. Leadership deficit. Asiende say elipa edi enim ewo maimu nyina ewo Africa ha no dodo nara any leadership qualities omu ni qualities a yedi di sebi o man so dodo nara say o check Africa oko online lipa a free independence abisi sabre no obiara kosua ade abrochire na ye ba enema papa ye hu na brochire no se ye bebo modia na ye de aba na fi ya twe ye hu afi abrofo no ho no ye nya ni sa ye ba enema no de ye ni tua na nso ye betu ye nuanom ye betu lipa wonto abamayen ye betu lipa woman mu no a de woni pen ene ye ma won because one ye ni saa ukwa abatu bi wa obelusu na de ba ko wo leadership ho no say definition ba ko ne say a leader is one who takes people where they do not want to go, but finally where he took them benefits them.
Wow, but all repeating, mame. I am a dead do. I am a dead.
Mame can it chi? Can it say? Obia odi enim so ye leader no. Ono obia utimidi ye ko baby a yem pese ye be ko nenso na wie ye no. Ye nya ho mfaso.
Beautiful.
Eno na ye leader. So when ye leader sa na when ye leader o ye yo a de tie ni say ni nyina chi no obeye de esenipa ye nipa pe but o man no be ko na chi da na me ma a very simple example ye nyina ni tia she na a president adia wakasemo a wakase ye ntine fie ye she a friend is saying ye nose masks ne de keka ho no na yam fire de no amobi no hwede uko dwomu a enfobia ho but asemo a wo kan so be boayin enti nipa no mpe but say enforso a na wieye no ebe boayin enti leader bia na adwene da so say ade a me yi manye ni yi a ye nto aba ma me no nti ye no na ese me ye no na eboa nipa no momu na o man no ko na chi no onye good leader eno ye baako na eno sa leaders no ena adoso e wa Africa omodoso pa enti na Africa ye nkoye ni mu no efi se obia wo hwe yesu bia de na adwene wo so pa ya battle 2020 eti dia o ye bia no o ye e de se ye be yi no efriwa ya no mu nwin se obi betena so ansa won so beba enti u twemu akọ. You can't be president forever. You can't be a leader forever. Enti dia ye de be kai wo eni dia utimi yo ya enti ne ukọ baabia ukọ abrochire ukọ hin Iwura Kwame Nkrumah oboni din a obi ate ne nka no eno no emfa ho ne die nipa no be ka fa ho ya de pa wugya ho a nipa no be boa wo eno ye ni bi it your leadership deficit ye toso mi no The leaders no yenti ade a yefrɛ no development no ase.
Won ti ase.
Yenti ase your problem pa any yan kasa ye leaders no a omo hwe enso no ade a yefrɛ no mpuntuo no yenti ase. Na so obema me kwan a
Pacho mama kwan ko.
Aha. Me kyerɛkyerɛ mpuntuo mu kakra ama ye nyina ti ase. My politicians no obi ka say maybe Ibrahim pipe Ibrahim me di say Ibrahim na ya ti ase na ya mfa nye dwuma sa na ehunu ba bia leadership ankasa ewo mini ase ka say leadership your friends say development esesa development esesa enyina faako ade esesa na asesa su enti development at 1945 na no 2020 SSE ka ho asem 1945 after the Second World War obiara utiminya technology if you say na bombs ahodo ne ade asese bridges adan eniema bebre asese enti obiara utiminya adwen enya nima odi be sie ne mind temono yes we technologically developed a free sabre no 1945 eba be si be say 1950 sinimo ho no yes o mind be developer na kire so o mind kro no oye o mind a wetimi enya technology na wo na chi wetimi a developer eno any a friend say sa o mine no or developed eno achiri no ye ba 1960s mo ho econo ade a na ye hwe bibiti say GDP enti say o mine bi the GDP rise by 5% to 7% na ye see enipa no and also mine no were developer enti ne ye GDP actually ye who say GDP no betimi arise akọ enimu then so be he ni petitu bi na wosika no e wo mine no mu a oni disika no enti na ye nsesa ya dwen ye nhwe basic needs approach actually say obia de ohia say de obeda ntoma obi fra duane a obi di se no be mu a na kire se o man no develop enti opening bi your friend no Dudley CS asem we yoka no 1963 na wura mu 72 ho also o man bia so now person hu say o man mu no a develop I couldn't anymore bisa 3 questions na me gidi se wo be kire sa questions ni questions a wo be bisa no ba ko ne se di kan ne se what has been happening to poverty? What has been happening to inequality? One year will be any being one temu to saying and will be what politics move for example. Now they compare Obia with Tradia with university more and teaching here with a classroom one temu sanity. So a wide and a close. Yet also means what has been happening to unemployment? Or say, Sanya me, the Ubisa, me, and your papa, I say, ya. In the panabit, yes, you see, sign, I quine, I dear, and friendly development.
Hey,
and friendly development. If you say, so where your car quine, debris. No, he will be to talk for one, so.
Exactly.
Aha. Say, yeti a cofobi didi, maybe no da, we are da, and also any development.
Absolutely right.
I say, I'm afraid we school what it is here. So in ye, Juman ye, then can tell me say, my school, my sedan.
Excellent point.
Any development. And opening beer. Ono idindi amatiasin Nobel peace, prize no we winning bidder in economics. Until me pena some year pa wa being asema wakan development no ma min kind of brofo na min church munchiro
pacho kind
or see development is more concerned with the capability to function than the availability of commodities. It has to be more concerned with enhancing the lives we lead and the freedoms we enjoy. What happens in development is not the things a person has. What matters in development is not the things a person has or the feelings these provide, but what a person is or can be and does or can do. The definition of development, no. It is a with them upon one line of see and near my baby gadgets. Now, win to me, yeah, and for so bien so. And Ghana, you call quiet 200 months what we need gold need oil. So ye never beam free more. No be kind of say Ghana quenim because you cocoa you will say ya. Me yen some faso percentage keep way be no the brain we have not developed.
Yes.
So what could school we to study the PhD? Now near man kitty be assessing to me. The education at me assessing to me and ya mean developing.
Hey.
And developing development yet than a nipa.
A nipa.
Nipano the sese o timi kwa ni muama bribi esese o timi ye no esese o ye eno nti bi o ha we school on person o ye aban adwuma fi se wa kusua ni medie bi a obetimi dia ye bribi aboa no ho ento baba so wa ku school awie a graduate bi kura wa ye masters na nkwan ye de nkwan onimu you on developing
awo
I on developing. If you say the SSA ye ni didi ni etnase no onsuan na sa this why you see adisuan ye bi sua saa kosi bra ye bi wo me the development asem ni kwa wie no you will be a friend of sustainable development and no asia ni say e bra udidi ne no hwe se wo be jabie na kirefo nso ababedi. That is sustainable development. If you check the Abakwa, DMU, no. So the two sika of Futumu na woody, Sikani 20 na woodia, or quite 40. Na in Trima, Enyabi. Unfortunately for us, the leaders, no. Leadership in Africa, no. As a more can we 100, they are 5 pay, and it is idea, say. Enti enu na mayin tele koye ni mu captain adia ba ko bi wo ho a me ka ho asem enti yenti development ase eni say enti wo beti politicians na o ye campaigner ya ye say wo be hwe no ye nipa ho ade no ho aye eni me be ye sisi a obi kura ye ni hu adaji ana say o enjoy da no eno ne ye ka ho asem se ti hei say say ya ye akwan bebre na ilikai de befaswa ana say akwan no kura tutu ayintimi nyemi ya emfaso be na woso schools yesisia na fi yehunu say school yesisi but akai wure mu a emfaso be na woso politics inti akai wure mu eno development ana JP development is a process an event ayen kakra nti we ye jafwa na we ya betwaso yentimi nyesa anti da ye koyechi eno ye another yeah the next one I make come corruption and then my kwa ni asabe echi story bi wo ho opa obehwehwe no what time mobutu seseseko da ho ani pata kan se brai tu no the wealth abroad sika no wo no abroad no was equal to the debt of the country. Sika or no your friend is saying, Ubutu Seseko. No one will broach, you know. Captain, what do you mean?
Meet you, Doc. Meet you, papa.
Now, it's so chain. Yeah, o minor cow, dear. Ubiti say, a yadima. Ubiti say, a bacha. Ubiti say, Nipa would mean to be more winning anything. Corruption. Now, corruption, and you won't know. Never blame the leaders. Blame Yenya if you want Busham, if you want party. And the perception be a Yenya ama leaders. Back when they say, what could the president, what the vice president? We a minister of state, we a MP. Now, we tenure of office a baby. Now what be fee? We need dine. We see dine to Sibia. We need car. Over CBN car brutally. We to turn near Manchite Nipa. We need answer. Sabi, Kasai Becan say, we all Cassia. The Becanon. And T. Ube who say MP, Bibi and then a Juma or no, Sabi, the road crab was summon. No, Aqua MP. Man, no 3 years. Nabisane property. One pretty and Kofia, Banyadi. A Busia phone so chung. Nabusia fortune will ye miss out as the car with the my free. And the crime be out the first one was satisfied. A Busia phone. What for CBR coffee Kundi intimation. We may be our view school when ye Juma. As a so far buying sika. Now the command. And the a baby as the car ye di a bit sit down. Ama bang and I said, "Dear Magana for a dear more minor." Yes, about for bottom. We call this year a whole effect Ghana, your Montenina. But sat Ghana is the Kenyan, no, the abominable or power. And none a sign a chain a bed, Chiriminia. Because a no, in Panhon says, Semiconama, yes, sir. And now, I wish I forget say, man, yadi.
Doc, Yan is saying, Yamia Duma will create a year to us so serious way, me,
yeah,
maybe no ending of this month.
All right.
Tinyamia Duma.
It next week, no. Maybe the Akano and into your Koyachino.
But we create a year, and then
oh, okay, or all right.
What am I messing?
You na Australia, but Obama me kwanya meka ba kupe.
Can I
for today na me jai.
You.
Obama me kwanya.
For no time me wo kuada.
Okay. Medasi.
Miss Medasi.
Yamin come on.
Amen. Dr. Kingsley Entry. Church ni kese Cape Coast University. Maminfa Osahini Major retired. Boachijan. Osahini, good morning.
Good morning, Captain.
Na HSN wafa.
Oh, madam one, ye kunko.
Mo, je se bibia wo fie bia so asomdua.
Ah, me village you, me ni ko to mi ne, ni di agro ha. But no, o yini guy, me died dem fe ni agro, nti mo jana ba village.
Yo.
Me farm.
Me da say. Wadama say how betimi abon wo mfia kire me metimi de agina so ebusa wasem.
Oh, I was born in the middle of the Second World War, 1943.
1943.
So I'm 75. I will be 76 September 24th, this year.
And September 14th, we know when you're 74 years.
76.
76, wow.
Yes.
What did soldier do? What Razier could do, Major? Why are the guns still not silent in Africa?
I think the guns are too silent. That's the problem.
Oh,
you see,
guns are too silent.
Yes, in the sense to say,
hey.
I will be a meeting program. I was so inspired the last time you spoke when you talked to Imperial Japan, Imperial China, and all that. One thing you forgot, or maybe you don't know, is that they are all militarized imperial countries who went out to colonize Imperial Europe. You don't do that with pen. You fight. Europeans went to America to colonize it. And America is today America because it was colonized. Japan was an imperial country.
Young country.
What American say? Now, any strange because here say not you as a for companies. Traditional society, no. Osha. Obia was armed.
Okay.
Anameboa.
Pepe.
Any yakofa formal army abre. Any a small group be any training and yet so now. It ain't really so gun like our fathers used to use them. Let me tell you a story.
Tell me that.
You know, I learned how to shoot before I went into the army.
Hey.
Yes, I was following my father to the farm with his double barrel gun. And after we finished farming, he took me to the forest reserve and said, look, the monkeys, I'm going over here, monkeys will come. Don't shoot anything on the land. You know? A bird and one, all those monkey, they are allowed. So when I went into the army, I was good in shooting. The society has prepared me to handle arms. It's not happening today. Why? It's not happening today.
And so now,
we have to militarize.
Meaning, say, for my son, DS one.
Yemo beer arms.
Oh,
yes. Britain. Take me and one can be me propose. Do you know that there's a part-time army in UK? You have been there before. Third army. Every community has this unit. On Americano.
But
until apart from the formal army, your part-time army even in Britain. All the advanced societies was militarized society until we put everybody under arms. We militarize our society. I'm telling you, we are not going anywhere.
No, but when we do that, how would militarization of our communities bring us the food we're looking for, the water we're looking for, the roads? How would that turn into all these things?
A good question. I was listening to one of your who talk. You see, the problems is we are. I get very emotional about this issue because it is very difficult. Yeah. Technology, industry evolve under the arm of militarization. You go and check it out. Development that is today survival, no? Under the back of a military. We are underdeveloped. The other day you were looking for water, Rodney's book. How Europe underdeveloped Africa.
Sure.
You forgot it. I've read it. I have a copy. The man was even killed.
Yes.
For daring, yes. Was poisoned for wanting to exposing us to the real secret of development. Some of these things we are talking about. You see. So my problem is that people talk about underdevelopment. How do you develop when you don't have control over your primary products? In any case, you are underdevelopment when you cannot use your resources environment to survive.
Okay, Osahene.
Yes, sir.
Nana, where the wadawo menyado. Me no we. Na series we the May ending of this month.
Yes.
Enti me no beto aso ukuada.
No problem.
Any
conversation on this subject between you and me.
Sure. the militarization of Africa, no.
A good way out.
It's at Wednesday, you into details.
Yes.
All things being equal, I think that we'll start Fabɛwɔso earlier on Wednesday. Now, it's been enough time, at least an hour. One, Dr. Kinsley entry, and then we'll move on to other resource persons the following week. Thank you so much, Osayini, for your time.
Thank you also. Keep it up.
All right.
I like your Africanist approach.
Thank you, sir. Osayini Major retired, Buachijan. Aka home ya yekuda, ayeku Ghana hada. Now it is a menino, a bon komo, and Fabɛwɔso. But medical catch say Agenda 2063 no ye real document na ya kanya wi ye di ne baba be gina ha ye guma mitrim. Jame ya adoma Wednesday ye bebo boso. First 10 years no ade Africa can say from 2013 ekosi 2023 wombe no ye di mu 7 years. But near one of kind of much my bakwa now when we come on Wednesday, we'll give you Pacho Dr. Dini Dr. Kinsley J. Cape Coast University now war Dr. Kinsley J. Dr. Kafra Sankameya Saudi Pacho Enti Yaba Wednesday Yaba Yabeshesa Agenda 2063. We are almost 10 years off the agenda timelines, no. And then we'll all find solutions to these huge problems confronting us as black Africans. I mean, African, as black Africans. Because me see mako Egypt da, mako Algeria da, mako Morocco da. Yehua womo hu say womo ya Africans o womo treatment a womo numumpo womo no wode maye. I met an Egyptian journalist can say me kire me de bi esi mitrima na me raho. So the black African race, there's something we need to do and do right. Change when it is denied or too long delayed. Violence will break out here and there. Not that men planned or willed it, but the accumulated grievances will erupt with volcanic fury. It will happen one day.